video na to ay para sa mga nagbabalak na bumili ng China ROM na device. Tuturuan ko kayo kung ano yung mga dapat nyong gawin para magmistulang global device yung China ROM nyo. Alright, so once natapos na kayo sa initial setup ng China ROM phone nyo, ang pinakauna kong ginagawa talaga is i-uninstall lahat ng Chinese apps na bloatware. And usually, napakarami ng mga applications ito, lampas 20 applications. But luckily, pwede tayong mag-batch uninstall. So, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong mag-uninstall ng at least 20 applications at a time. Depende po sa phone yan. Minsan, pwede nyo nang isabay lahat ng applications in one go. The next step is installing, updating, or enabling the Google Play. Kung naka-Xiaomi kayo, punta lang kayo sa Get Apps and search for the Google Play. And it's almost the same thing lang rin naman para sa ibang brands. You just have to go to the Play Store ng brand ng phone nyo. And once you install the Google Play, parang global na yung device nyo. Pwede na kayo mag-install ng any applications that you need. But the next application that we need to install is yung keyboard. And for my personal preference, SwiftKey ang ginagamit ko. Now, you can opt for Gboard or whatever keyboard ang mas trip nyo. And once okay na kayo with your keyboard, the next step is installing a browser. Kasi yung default na browser natin dito is Chinese. So makikita nyo, hindi natin pwede ma-change yung language. Talagang necessary na mag-download tayo and install ng separate na browser. And don't worry kasi pwede naman natin gawing default browser kung anumang browser ang ida-download natin. And once we have this now, we just have to go to the settings and search lang natin yung apps. We have to press the 3 dots here and then punta tayo sa default apps and then piliin natin ang Google Chrome as our default browser. And we're almost done. Konti na lang yung kailangan natin gawin. Para sa isang Xiaomi device, you have this option to turn off the app vault. So yung app vault na to, ito yung extra page natin when we swipe to the left. So kung ayaw nyo to kasi mostly Chinese characters lang yung makikita nyo dito, you can turn it off sa settings. You just have to search for app vault and turn it off. But there are some extra steps pa that you can do para mas maging feeling global talaga yung device nyo. So you can turn off yung other gesture options dito para mas malinis, like yung pag-swipe down and pag-swipe up. So pwede nyo turn off itong home search. Pindutin nyo lang yung button na yan para wala ng extra gesture pa. And then dito sa pag-swipe down sa home screen, instead na naka-on yung search, piliin nyo yung notification shade and control center. Dito naman sa swipe up on the home screen, piliin nyo yung none para hindi na kayo pumunta doon sa content center. So yun lang yung mga easy basic steps na kailangan yung sundin para magkaroon kayo ng halos global experience sa mga China ROM devices nyo. Hopefully nakatulong tong video na to. Follow for more tips.